The questions also you no need to worry, because in first model from data you are drawing the diagram, then you are answering the questions. This is already covered actually. Diagram based questions is bit easy, less time taken because already diagram is given. Previously from the data in the question you have to draw the diagram, then from that you need to answer the things. Here diagram is already exist. Now here what they are saying in the given diagram, teachers represent triangle, researcher represent circle, administrators represent rectangle, like that. See, in few competitive exams, what they do, they don't mention teacher, administrator, researcher. That words they don't mention. In question they'll say triangle is teacher. Then you have to come and in the diagram you have to mention teacher. That's extra time. Okay, you have to read and then, but here you have directly in the diagram. Triangle is teacher, we can understand. Rectangle related to administrator, circle related to researchers. That's cool. But what they are asking now? Everybody have this question, so I'm not okay worrying about this. This diagram, I hope it is there in everyone's booklet. Now, what they're asking, out of total number of people, the percentage of administrators. So admin, how much total? We know how much total is. We had to calculate, they didn't give it here. In previous question total 300 people, like that we know, but here total is not given. We have to find the data from the diagram. Admin is how much, total is how much. So guys, admin is rectangle shape, right? What is that value? Admin 10 plus 20 plus 20. Okay, 50 is the admin. What is total? Okay, apart from 50 here, 70 and 140 is there. 70 is only teacher, researcher is only 40. Okay, so only researcher is 40. Adding all that we got total. So that's actually 50 already there. 70 plus 50 plus 40 we got, it's nothing but 160. Now they're asking admin percentage out of total. Comes under which range among the options? So admin is 50. Total 160 in terms of percentage means we have to multiply with 100. Here 28 times 25 times 250 divided by 5, which is 125 divided by 4, which is 31.25%. So I have to see the range among the option which includes 31.25. Which is having 31.25 is option C. In option C, 31 to 45 is given. So we can go with options. Among options, we need to check 31.25 required. So that's there in option C. Okay, but look into this calculation. So admin total. So directly you are collecting the data from the diagram. Diagram is already available. Our job is very simple now. Collect the data from the diagram and then calculate. Admin is 50, total 160, 50 out of 160 in terms of percentages 31.2. Done. Next question, again related to diagram, is this. Yeah, there are different activities like reading books, playing sports, watching TV. Okay, all this fine, but what they're asking in the question. Who like to read books or play sports? You need to find read books or play sports. So count in this diagram. I repeat, the given question is read books or play sports. Options are available. Okay, the given options is like 44, 51, 79, 108. And for your better clarity, I'll give one more question below. This is first question is they ask read books or play sports, right? My second question, for the same data, read books or play sports, but not watch TV. But not TV. or but not watch TV. This first one different, this one different. At least now you can get the clarity. The second question is giving some clarity for the first one. Read books or play sports means entire those two circles value you need to include. Reading book also okay, playing sports also okay. That entire two circles 13, 44, 12, 7, 15 and then 17 also we need to include. So what's this is? 108. But if they ask read books or play sports but not TV, now what to be included? TV I don't want. 13 plus 44 plus 15. So what's this value? 57 plus 15, 72. Read books or play sports. Read books or play sports but not TV. I'll give one more question. Read books and play sports. One question. The last one. Read books and play sports but not TV. But not TV is the fourth one. Now you see these four questions, I think it will give some inputs for you. Or means what? Simply read books or play sports is something. Read books or play sports but not TV is other one. Read books and play sports. What should be this one? Read books and play sports. Yes. 44 plus 7. 51. Read books and play sports but not TV means 44. And means common area. Common area. But I don't want TV means don't involve 7. See the difference of all four questions at one go. You can see the diagram and four questions are there. Try to understand the difference. If that question only read books or play sports, if I only discuss that, it's not justified here. If I see all four questions, you may got some doubts, okay, and you may got some clarity also at the end. What is and but not, are but not, simply are, okay, what's the difference? You just try to check it out here. These are all diagram based questions. Diagram is already there in the given question. We're just okay handling that, how to get the answers and all, right? See the next one. See this next question. This is given in TCS company. For your seniors, question given in TCS. Everyone try this. What they're asking. Engineers are lawyers as well as doctors. All three intersection. So from question we got clarity that okay, they given clearly engineers are lawyers as well as doctors, and anyhow options are given like 9, 14, 7 and 5. So if you just look into that, okay, the question indirectly saying that all three intersection. So engineer means it's rectangle, lawyer is a triangle, doctor is nothing but square, all those three intersection point. So this 5 is intersection of this 5, okay, engineer is there, yes. Lawyer triangle is involved, yes. Square also involved. In this 9, what about this 9? It may be 5 plus 9, 14 also possible. But is this 9, what is missing in this 9? Engineers are missing, right? Okay, and what is missing in this 14? Why not 14? Doctor is not there. Because you can see the options, they given 14, they given 9, they given 7 as well. What about this 7? Why not this 7? Lawyers are missing. So engineers are lawyers as well as doctors means indirectly They're asking all the three intersection. Okay, so that's nothing but equal to 5. In TCS company, they're asking two questions from Venn diagrams like this. They'll give a diagram and they'll ask two questions. Next one is relation between votes. Relation between votes. And before going for the question related to that, okay, let me give you some inputs before going ahead. This is important for government sector jobs, especially if you go for SSC Staff Selection Commission, okay, SSC JE exams or any SSC exams. You can find relation between votes related questions. Definitely there one question at least. So what's this one is, see, they'll give 3 votes or 4. Generally they're giving 3 votes. Minimum 3, not 2 and all. 3 to 4 votes they'll give. Related to that vote, the connection we need to show in the diagram. So we'll start with a very basic thing like, let us say, mothers, comma doctors, or mother, comma doctor. Now, okay, I'll give some diagrams here. You let me know which is the correct suitable diagram for this mother and doctor. This is option A. Okay, both are not connected. Mother sub. Okay, this is not connected. Mother and doctor are not connected. This is second one is this. Third one is this. Now, which is suitable thing? And here you have to consider all cases. You should consider all practical cases. While giving relation between votes, you need to consider all practical cases. Now, among A, B, C, which one correct? Suitable for mother and doctor related votes? C. Okay, in means you are saying that all doctors are mothers. If you are saying C, it can be like this. Here D, here M means all doctors are mothers. Is it? There is no boys, no male gender. They're right. No, sir, put reverse. Then you are claiming that all mothers are doctors. No, right? It's not correct. Okay. A mother and doctor not all connected is also wrong. Correct answer is option B, mother and doctor. So what about this? These mothers, they may be housewives or they may be in different profession. They may be software engineers. What about this one, sir? These doctors may be females, not yet mothers. Maybe males, right? So yeah, all doctors are not females. All doctors are not mothers, right? So this remaining doctor, what about this right side area, sir? Not connected. Yes, that's what practically all points involved. Yeah, some doctors are mothers, correct. Some mothers are doctors is the correct statement practically. Okay, so it's not all mothers are saying option A also wrong. No mother is a doctor is meaningless. There are some mothers who are in the doctor profession. There are some doctors who are already mothers. So we can go vice versa like this. So B is the correct one. Like this, you need to select best suitable diagram. That too, okay. I had to mention that word. Best suitable diagram among options considering all practical cases. Sir, in options, I have some thought in my mind, but no option is available. Then select best among that. Select best among the options, which will suit that votes. Considering all practical cases, you need to select the best suitable diagram. Before, yeah, 14th one also TCS question, we'll work on it later. And there is one more example. Okay, this is just I given one. So one more example. Father and brother. Father, brother. So same diagrams. Which one is suitable? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Consider all practical cases. Which one? Is it A or is it B or is it C? C indicates you may be saying that all fathers are brothers. Maybe one child for the parent. It's not. He is not the brother, right? So problem is that A, father and brother, there is no relation. That's what. So I'll just give you the clue. Maybe you can select the things later, correct? X is father of Y. So there is a person called X. He is father of Y. X is brother of Z. So same person X can be father for someone. Is this possible? Possible or not? Yeah, I have my brother, so he is father. Okay, for two children. So and he is also brother to me. So X is father of Y. X is brother of Z. Now what is suitable thing? B, because same person can be father and brother. Many people will go with option is their father, brother. There is no connection. But same person, that's what the example. All practical cases you need to consider and select the best suitable, best fit. Okay, B is suitable here. X is father of Y. X is brother of Z. The same person can share father relation with someone. The same person can hold brother relationship also. So that's why common is there. Yes, intersection must be there. Should be a common path. Now fine. So let's see about that question. Then we'll see about this 14th one later. So 15th question, what they given? Triangle, quadrilateral and square. So check the suitable one related to these three words among the options. Triangle, quadrilateral, square. See, quadrilateral means any shape with any polygon with four sides. So square will comes under quadrilateral only. If they use the word polygon, triangle and square will comes under polygon. But they given triangle. Triangle is not four sides one. So triangle should be separate. Square is okay. All squares will come under quadrilateral only. That's what option B. You can put this triangle left or right. That's not a problem. Okay. Option B. All squares. A is no. All squares. Okay. Fine. What are the diagram you have? This diagram I require. Okay. This triangle can be right or left. Okay. No problem. Okay. One circle square should comes under quadrilateral, and this triangle should be separated because this is three sides. Quadrilateral is four sides one. Square also four sides one. So all squares are quadrilateral. You select among your options. This is the one required. You can go for n number of questions actually. Okay, here one question only I mentioned. Still, you can learn like, okay, they may give, I hope you are done with this question. Right, so they may give question like India, Asia, China. Then the best suitable diagram is India, China, two different countries, but both comes under right. So there is a border for us. We can separate. There is a border for every country to country. So we can separate. That's a different country. This area, which country, this area, which country we can differentiate. Okay, so India, okay, China, both comes in Asia. This when they're given like this, you need to go with this type of diagram. Among options, we need to select that type of diagram. India, Asia, China. If they, let's say that's one example I just want to add on. The other example, Indian black men, tall men. Indian black men, tall men. So which one? Take this options only. What are available here? These options only. Indian tall men, black men. Option D. D for Delhi. Yeah. If you go with okay, Indian black men, tall men. Yeah, there is an Indian who is tall as well as black. It's not meaning all black are Indian. We have friends from West Indies and Zimbabwe as well, right? So we cannot claim all black men are from Indian. So Indian, black men, tall men. So all three intersection required. There is an Indian who is black as well as tall. Yes, but all black men are not Indians. All tall men are not Indians. Okay, so but all three intersection is possible. So like this, you need to select among the options which is best suitable. They can give n number of examples, but you should know the meaning of those words. Here I given general things. They may give aluminium, tin, copper. You should know is it metal or not. Which one that technical chemistry related terminologies also they can ask. Okay, that terms meaning we have to know. This is general things. Indian black men, tall men. This is all very easy for you. And India, Asia, China. That's what some GK we know, so we can understand that. So we need some here also. If you don't know, okay, square comes under quadrilateral, then you end with wrong answer. That knowledge required. Yes, Venn diagrams not just like that. You should have some basic idea at least, right? And one more question from diagram based questions is left over here. So, diagram based questions. This question also given in TCS company. What they are asking, Indian teachers are hardworking but are not researchers. So Indian and teacher and hardworking but not researchers. This area I want. Intersection of Indian teacher and hardworking but not belonging to researcher I want. Target is very clear. Okay, Indian and teacher and hardworking but not related to research. First of all these intersections where exist. Indian means this circle 14. Okay, 14 is having Indian is there. Okay, teacher triangle is there, and it is having hardworking rectangle as well, but not having researcher. Good. So 14 is one. Okay, remaining people you check it out, and they're asking that okay out of total, but are not okay. What approximately what percent of Indian teachers are hardworking? First, okay, you have to calculate how many Indian teachers are hardworking among but are not research. Percentage you need to calculate here. So fine. So Indian teachers who are hardworking but not researchers are nothing but 14. Now Indians and teachers is how much? Indians and teachers intersection. Indians and teachers intersection. 14 plus 11 plus 10. 35, right? 14 plus 11 plus 10. Indian teachers. Indians and teachers. See, because question is okay. Among the question is indirectly among Indian teachers, how many are hardworking but not researchers? Indian teachers are 35. Among that hardworking but not researchers are 14. Now 14 is what percentage of 35? Question you read it, okay. Approximately what percentage of the Indian teachers? So first we need to calculate Indian teachers how many? Indian teachers means intersection of Indian and teachers. That's what you calculated now. The circle and triangle intersection is 14 plus 11 plus 10. This is Indian teachers. So among them who are hardworking but not researchers are 14. 11 is in researchers, 10 is in researchers. So hardworking but not researchers are 14 among them. Now you need to calculate that percentage, 40%. So 14 out of 35 into 100, 7 2 times, 7 5 times, which is 40%. So out of Indian teachers, how many are hardworking but not researchers are 14. So 14 out of 35 into 100. Option B. So in Venn diagrams, that diagram based questions is a bit easy compared to data based questions. There is one extra step you need to do. Data into diagram, then answering the questions. Here diagram is all there means easy. Sir, related to relation between three words, that method you given only few questions, because for placements, no need to enter into that area. They're not asking much. But in SSC, JE, for government sector jobs, they're asking. That's why given some extra questions also now. Triangle, quadrilateral, square, one example. Indian, okay, Asia, China, okay, black men, tall men, all those examples you can use.